Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have the 2019 LG OLED 55 C9 and we're gonna be looking at unboxing and how to set this up. So let's cut the box open and see what we got inside. So inside the box we have a plastic casing. Probably this is back side of the stand, and I have the accessory bundle, the AV cable, the remote, and the batteries for the remote in here. And here I have the actual stand. This is pretty heavy. Wow. And there is another part, looks like another part to the stand that goes at the bottom of the TV, and then we have the actual TV unit itself. So let's see how to set this up. Finally, everything is set up. This is really a heavy television. So I'm going to open up the cover and also remove some of the plastics that are plastics can retain the heat and can spoil the internals of your TV. So the first step after you set your TV up, go ahead and remove the plastic both on the front and also on the back to have airflow inside your television. Another pro tip: if you are spending so much on a TV like this, go ahead and purchase a protection plan, which is like mostly would be 10% of the TV, so that the OLED TVs are prone to get burn-ins and image retention, and if anything like that happens, they might change the panel or they might even replace the old TV for you. So if you're spending so much, don't forget to get a protection plan on this one. So this is the remote for the TV. It has a wheel in it just to point anywhere on the screen, and this is like a Wii remote. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and set up the TV. A 4K video provided by LG. The colors are really vibrant and it's really bright compared to the last TV that I had, which is LG OLED B6 from 2016. I will be posting another video on side-by-side comparison of the LG B6 and LG C9 shortly. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell notification icon. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.